Popular Hadiths of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Those people who show no mercy will receive no mercy from Allah. Wisdom and knowledge are things that the believer lacks. He should take them wherever he finds them. Religion is very easy, and whoever overburdens himself in his religion will not be able to continue in that way. So you should not be extremists, but try to be near to perfection and receive the good tidings that you will be rewarded, and gain strength by worshipping in the mornings, the nights. Those who are the means of good deeds are the same as those who perform good deeds. It is one of the greatest sins that a man should curse his parents. It was asked, O Allah's Apostle, how does a man curse his parents? The Prophet replied, the man abuses the father of another man, and the latter abuses the father of the former and abuses his mother. No father has ever given a child a gift that is superior to good manners.